I found this adorable watering can at the thrift store, so let's dress it up with a little bit of decoupage and then we can use it to hold some of our favorite summer flowers. I bought this paper napkin which has a beautiful Monet watercolor painting style and just cut it to size so that it would fit on one side of the watering can. Then I used a little bit of Mod Podge and just brushed that right onto the watering can, working in little sections and placing my napkin right in there. You just want to be careful not to rip your paper as you go, but if you go a little bit at a time, it makes the job much easier. This piece was a little tricky to work around the handles and the spout, but I just took my scissors and cut little slits so that I could get the paper wrapped around there. I continued working my way around the watering can until it was all covered. And then I took the heat from my heat iron just to press in any of the wrinkles to give it a nice smooth finish. And this works really well when you have a nice flat surface. Okay, now it's time to fill up our little jar. I had all this lavender. I have a lavender bush out in front of my yard, so I collected it. And the great thing about lavender is if you pick it while it's blooming, it dries this way and will retain that lovely, lovely smell. So I just kept going, adding in the greenery and all the blooms till it was nice and full, and then tucked in a bit of Spanish moss around the outside. And I love how this upcycle turned out, a nice thrift store makeover and a beautiful gift for a teacher or as a hostess gift or just to have in your own home. Like and follow for more.